channel. I'm Gabby Paglia. I'm going to be prepping myself for summer mentally, physically, and emotionally / spiritually. Personally have a lot of summer type themed videos planned for this channel. You guys can feel free to leave a comment down below with suggestions on what type of summer videos you'd like to see from me on my channel. And also make sure you're following my Instagram. It's at Gabriella Paglia. It's always in the socials pop up right here. I usually post updates on my Instagram story about the videos that are upcoming for the week, or I ask my followers suggestions on certain elements of the video, so you guys as my subscribers and followers do have a lot of creative control, especially if a video is taking a lot longer to upload and then I have to change the scheduling of when the actual video is going to upload. I'll also put that on my Instagram story, so make sure, even though I post every Wednesday, just in case something like that happens, because it does happen quite often, make sure you're keeping up with my Instagram stories when I post updates about the new video. I'm gonna be organizing this video by timestamps. I'm gonna leave them in the description, and they're also gonna be on the cursor down below. So the first thing we're gonna do is my vision board. So now that I picked out all the pictures I want to use, I'm going to start messing around with the pictures and putting them into my vision board that I'm going to be using as my background for this summer. Okay, so I finally finished my vision board and I'll put it up on the screen. This is what it looks like. I'm pretty proud of it. It didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it to, but I really like how I was able to get all the pictures I wanted into it. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of what I put in this vision board. So, of course, front and center, we have a license plate, and I got this picture off of Visco. It says, "Don't fuck with my aura," because just don't. The only other text picture I have in here was a tag on, I'm assuming, like a hoodie or something, and it says, "Keep your standards as high as you are," which I love. We have a lot of friend group pictures on here. We have some food. We have some pictures of me and Mark, and just some other things I want to do this summer. Jet skiing. I think this is a lazy river. I don't know. Reading. Little bonfire, and then just traveling. And then I had to put my dog taking the wheel in this one picture here because I just think it's funny. That's pretty much what I want to do, so I'm gonna accomplish everything on this vision board. So with that done and out of the way, the next thing we're going to do is my favorite thing, obviously, which is online shopping. And I have a list of things I know I want to get for summer, some things I know I want to get for the vacations I 100% have planned, and then just some little other things that have to do with editing or new software, stuff like that. So say a quick prayer for my bank account, everyone. Last night I went on to Shein and I took liberty of just looking through bathing suits mostly. In my cart right now I have 20 items, and we're just gonna go through it really quick. I found this Dalmatian ring linked bikini, which I really like. I think it's something different. I don't have any cuts of bathing suits like that. I also got the same one in my cart in this navy blue. I found this backless lace-up dress, which I think is just really super cute. And a couple more dresses. The pants that kind of remind me of Maddie from Euphoria. So I don't know if I'm gonna get those. I just really do like those. And then I found another set, dark green. Not sure how I feel about this one right here. I don't know. I like these lace-up tops also. They're like $6. And then back to the bathing suits. I have some underwire ones that are in kind of a dark sea blue, I guess, and another emerald green. I found this zebra one that I really like because I actually have nothing like this. The only thing is, blue is my favorite color, so I feel like I already don't need more blue. I found this like bandana type of print bathing suit. I like the cut of this. I like how it's not super thin cut on the bottoms, so I might get that. And then I was saying before how this one to me, it's giving me gay pride, which there's nothing wrong with that because I am part of the LGBT community and it's June 1st when I'm recording, so happy Pride Month, everyone. This one, it claims to be a reversible, but the side that's reversible I don't really care for, so we'll see about that. And then the first one I saw when I searched up bikinis I really like this one. I think it'll look really nice with my tan. I did realize that my sister actually does have this one in the orange that they're showing, but who cares? So if anything from this site, I think I'm gonna get this $10 bikini two-piece, probably the zebra and Dalmatian one. The next website I'm gonna go on is Gianna Rose Couture. We're gonna look in the sales section. I follow their Instagram. They always post really nice stuff. Okay, so currently in my cart right now, I have 7 items. This first thing I have, I'm not sure if they're selling it as a set because I saw it 2 times on the website, but I wanted this set for a while. It's called the Flaunt Set in Oatmeal. So I don't know if this $49 is for one of the pieces or it's together because I think I have the other one in my cart. Maybe I don't. I really like these denim jeans. However, they're a whopping $72. I really don't know if I would wear these jeans that much in the summer considering it's hot. So I'm probably not gonna get those, but I do like the cut and the style of them. This one hurt my soul. This next one, it's the Lorelei top. I wanted the set because I saw this on their Instagram and I thought it was super cute. However, again, they don't have my size. And I don't know if this $59 is for one piece or the full piece. I really like this dress. I think they're really cute and I could see me dressing this one up. I don't have a lot of clothing in orange, so this is one option I might get. And I'm also considering this one, which is like a mid dress. I just think it's really cute. It kind of looks like a beach cover up, but it's also fancy at the same time. And then this one down here, like a little sundress reminds me of, and it's like this lime green pastel color. If anything from what I have in my cart, I would get the Beautiful Mistakes mid dress and the Layla mini dress, just because I think I'd get the most use out of those. So the next thing I plan on getting for the summer, which is kind of, I'm hesitant about getting it, but it is a necessity. I need a new camera, guys. Like, this has been an ongoing problem and I cannot create content this way. This is one of the ones I want. It's the Canon PowerShot G7. And this one has the flip up viewfinder. I think the other one that I was eyeing up to, it has a viewfinder that also flips out, but it flips out horizontally rather than vertically. I'm gonna compare this one with, I think it's this one. They call it a content creator pack, which I hate that so much. But I think this is the camera I'm thinking of, and it does come with a tripod, which I don't really need because I actually do have a tripod. I just don't know if it would fit this camera I'm looking for. You know what? It might have been the Sony, but this one is $748. The other one I'm looking at on Best Buy is $749.99, and then the content creator bundle was $600 something. So if any of you guys are content creators or you use a professional camera, please comment down below which one you use. And then the last website I'm going to go on is the Serotonin Supply. I like this collegiate look hoodie, but for $50, I don't know. 988 saves lives, and if you don't know, that is the number for the suicide hotline. I don't really like how it says July 2022 on it. This green crew neck, which is a little bit more inexpensive. I actually might get that. Oh, never mind. I like to get my hoodies and crew necks oversized typically, but they do not have a large. I'm just gonna hope and pray that a medium still fits me a little bit oversized. I wish they had this 988 without the July on the back. Found a 988 pink hoodie, which does not have the July emblem on the back, and they also only have a medium right now, so I'm just gonna add that to the cart also. My thinking is I'm gonna hold off on the 988 hoodie because the brown's the one I really want without the July on the back, which I'm kind of taking a risk there, but I am gonna get the green crew neck that just says Serotonin. But that is all the shopping I'm gonna be doing for today. Otherwise, I would be here all day. I'll do a little updated video, maybe a reel or a YouTube short on things I got for the summer. The next thing, I'm going to be bulleting and planning out the rest of my videos for this month of June, and then the ones I have for my vlog channel, Extra Gabby. So that's the next and last thing we're going to be doing for the aesthetic and online section of this video. So in total, I have 15 videos ready to go and planned. Now we're gonna move on to the physical preparation for summer. So the first thing I'm going to do is tan outside because it is a very nice day out. I'm not sure what the UV is looking like today, but if it's not that great, I'm probably gonna go to my local gym and tan there as well.
You're gonna tan with me? You're gonna tan with me? Yeah. Come on.
Okay, so I'm tanning on my trampoline because I don't want to tan on the grass. The UV index right now is 2, so I don't think that's gonna do much. See if anything happens. I literally live like right behind a main road and it's so annoying. So that was pretty much a bust. Off to Planet Fitness we go. I am getting ready to go to the gym with my friend and I'm gonna take my pre-workout now. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna record while we're in there again because that's kind of annoying. We'll probably do like a full body. And if you don't like going to the gym alone, go with a friend, go with your mom. I don't care. Just get in the gym. Because sometimes I hate going alone because of all the people. Especially when I know people. Just so annoying. So we're gonna drink this, get hype, and then I'll come back here and tell you what's next. Cheers. I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's pretty loud out there, but I just got done my workout. 76 minutes, 549 calories. We just did good today. We never do that much. As promised, I'm in the tan bed. Go get tan. Now I'm nice and crispy. Ah! My hair is horrendous. Okay. Anyways, when I got back from the gym, I tried to eat a little healthy. So I had my protein powder and then I just got a little smoothie. You know, we're trying to be good, get our physical body in shape for summer. The next thing I'm gonna do physically, like physical wise, preparing for the summer, we're gonna do a quick skincare routine, time lapse, because you guys already know my skincare routine. If you haven't seen it, it's right here. Now this is the only thing I'm gonna do different to my routine. I only do this around summertime, so it works for the video. This is also from the Sephora skincare brand, if you know, you know. And it is a gradual self-tanning face gel. So after applying my moisturizer, I just take a little dollop like that and just rub it into my face and neck to make sure I'm tan evenly everywhere. Because we just did the body tan, and now my face is gonna get a little bit tanner. Everything is gonna be well with the world. And then that'll take about 15 to 20 minutes to set in. I usually don't see results until like the next morning. So that's why I try to do it a few hours before I go to bed so it doesn't transfer onto my sheets or anything. But that was the end of the skincare routine, quick and easy. And now we're gonna get on to the fun part, shaving. Using the Tree Hut Desert Haze Sugar Scrub. Shaving cream is EOS and oatmeal. And then I just use a, what is this? A Hydro. I think this is like a Bic razor. Everything in the shower routine is from Target, so go crazy. So now that we are officially done the physical preparation, we're gonna move on to the mental and spiritual preparation. We're gonna start, you know, realigning ourselves and just getting right for the summer. I'm going to read one of my favorite books. You'll come back to yourself. And I just like to sticky note like really meaningful parts in the book to me, so that's why there's like a bunch of them in there. And then also on my TV right there, I'm gonna put on some aura sounds while I read. I want to have a little like mental health check-in session. Currently, my mental health has been pretty good. I don't know, like 6 months ago, I wouldn't even get on my bed. So I'd say like it's a huge step up for me. I feel like the mindset I'm in now is 1,000 times better than the one I was in before. normally am like a glass half empty type of person. It was just a really horrible mindset. I'd always think like if I set myself up for disappointment and something ends up being, you know, not disappointing, then I'll be like really happy because I was expecting like below the bare minimum, which is horrible. Like, please don't think like that. I know it's hard because I've been dealing with that for a while now, and I know everyone has issues, everyone is going through something. Trust me, I've been going through it. You know, just talk to people you trust. I talk with my therapist and I love her. She just like tells me all the right things and easily makes me realize like just how far I've come. So you just need people like that in your life. Oh my goodness, cut off the toxic people in your life because they're not gonna do you any more good. I promise you guys, you'll feel so much better when you do. As always, I hope you guys are doing well too, and that concludes this video. If you want to share your thoughts down below, I'm open to them. I literally always answer my comments. I love when people comment. Let's start a conversation. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every single Wednesday. Subscribe if you're not already. I would love to have you a part of my family, and I really appreciate everyone that is already subscribed. Like the video if you liked it this week, and I will see you next Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye.